Welcome back to my channel. My name is VassaOlga. Today we're gonna be doing a few lip combos. I believe that's gonna be really cool video, really fun tutorial before New Year's Eve, because you might be really interested what lip combinations, what lip colors you might wear during this time of the year. I have a lot of lipsticks right beside me. I'm not gonna be using all of them. I have an impressive collection of lipsticks, but at the same time it's not as much as Curly Bibles has, or maybe some other vloggers or gurus that have PR boxes. Let me get started. And I forgot my wipes. Let me grab them real quick. I want to play with my red lipstick, and let's combine this lipstick with something dark. I'd say it's going to be really pretty if we try Essence lipstick. This has beautiful rich plum color, and over these two lipsticks I want to play with Makeup Revolution. Ooh, this one is pretty. It looks like some combination of red lipstick and plum shade. I guess red color is not going to be pretty on the sides. It's going to be in the center of the lip, and as for sides of my lips, it's going to be pretty with Essence. This is from Kylie Cosmetics. Wow. If you want to do it a little bit more matte, you just take a piece of paper or some Kleenex and you kiss it. You're left with a really beautiful matte lipstick. We're moving to a little bit of different combinations. Now we're going to talk about lipsticks that are dry. Now the combination with Karl Lagerfeld. This lipstick is not my favorite. First of all, I'm going to mention that it's really dry. The smell is really intense, and it's coming off really easy. I mean, I tried this lipstick a few times, and every single time I apply that, in probably 1 hour, less than 1 hour, it starts cracking in the middle and it's just peeling off. I don't really like this lipstick. That's why the only option to wear this is with a combination of some really matte and beautiful lip shades. Now let's talk about the top. Well, the top can be very bright, like this NYX product. This one is lip smacking fun colors, and the shade, I have no idea what shade this is, but it's really bright. And if you really want to wear something like that, but you have nowhere to wear this lipstick, then you can use this on top of something dry or on top of something dark. I have another really similar shade, the one from Wet n Wild. Wet n Wild lipsticks are a little bit more comfortable and they're less, like, they're not pricey at all. That's why this is another dupe of this Karl Lagerfeld. The color is Rebel Rose. I have another one, a little bit brighter shade from Wet n Wild as well, and the color is very recognized. If you want to, you can go over with the color. This one is a little bit brighter. I'm gonna do the same trick. And that's it. This is the lip combination number 2. If you feel like you need some gloss on top, another option is Makeup Revolution. This is Salvation Intense Liquor. The color is pretty, but this one is much better. I mean, if you really want to experiment, this is the color for you guys. Look at that. It has color, it has pigment. If you've applied too much, again, you have enough product. So another option with a gloss. I want to combine something shimmery like this pink. I love this color, and I'm almost out of the product, which is sad. I would need to look for another option. Other colors, probably Huntress or something like that. I guess they're going to be really pretty together. So the color is Maybelline New York 90 Huntress. I am obsessed with the shade, but it's so dry on lips. My mom hates this color. She says that this is the color of a dead person. That's why we're gonna top it with a little bit different shade. Okay, I want to make sure that I took off the extra shade, and I'm using the top. Oh my god. Wow. Look at that. That's definitely a hit for me. That's probably the way to wear this lipstick. You can add some pink shade first. This is so freaking pretty. But of course, you can top it with something different. And you know what? I want to go even further. I have this Revlon lipstick. I know that it might be really intense and it might ruin everything, but I want to really try out if it's gonna look pretty. But it's so freaking pretty, guys. Look at this. I would definitely wear this. But you don't really need to waste Rimmel London, something shimmery. It's not gonna be visible. But if you combine something really dark like that with something like that, it might turn out something like this. I'm gonna do the final one for you guys. For some of you who really needs something nude, I have very pretty shade from Sephora. This is the color 42 and it's metallic. Really love it. I have another pretty shade from Makeup Revolution, and believe me or not, there's so many people obsessed with the color. It's kind of the shade called Latte. I love the color. On top of that, we're using Sephora lipstick. And you can leave it like this, or you can top it with a lip gloss. Let's go with Essence Shine 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 lip gloss. That is so freaking awesome. Okay guys, and that is the final result. I love creating this type of content sometimes because it's so fun mixing all the shades, mixing all the colors, and I know that you love this content, that a lot of my shorts that were devoted to lip combinations, they were so well received, I'd say, that make me feel like you really love this content. That's why I'm gonna see you in one of my next videos, guys. Love you so much, and it's almost 2023, which is crazy. The time flies by. That's why I just wish you the best. I wish you to celebrate this year as positive as it actually possible, and I love you so much, guys. I'm gonna see you in one of my next videos. Bye bye.